Open kick crank bolt with 5 mm Allen key and remove kickstarter crank. Open 5 bolts of V-belt case air filter cover with 10 mm T-handle. Remove V-belt air filter cover with seal, damper, protector seal. Remove air duct seal and V-belt air filter element. Remove drain hose from V-belt case cover. Remove breather. Open 11 bolts with 8 mm T-handle. Remember, always open bolts in crisscross pattern as shown. And remove V-belt case cover. Remove 2 dowel pins. Hold primary sheave with special tool universal holder S1113 and open nut with 17 mm socket. Remove conical spring washer and one-way clutch. Take out primary sliding sheave along with spacer. Remove clutch housing nut and remove clutch housing. Remove gasket of V-belt case cover. Remove secondary sheave assembly. For disassembling secondary sheave, install it on special tool clutch spring compressor S1101. Compress the spring by tightening the bolt and remove clutch carrier nut by using clutch carrier nut socket S1102. After removing clutch carrier nut, disassemble components in following sequence. Secondary sliding sheave, fixed sheave with spring seat, clutch spring and clutch shoe assembly. Remove spring seat. Remember, care should be taken not to damage sheave and spring seat. Remove guide pins. and detach secondary sliding and fixed sheave. Remove 2 O-rings. And 2 oil seals from secondary sliding sheave.